CodeSpark, and the Lagos hustle. Chiamaka had a big dream, bigger than the busy streets of Lagos. She wasn't just studying computer science, she was dreaming of CodeSpark, an AI tutor app that would teach every child in her neighborhood the magic of coding. But dreams need action, and action needs time. Time was the one thing Chiamaka, with her 4 difficult classes and weekend hustle selling notebooks to cover fees, did not have enough of. She tried to make it all fit, a little coding late into the sticky Lagos night, a little study before the morning sun broke. Soon her notes became a jumble, and her battery was always low. The first hurdle was tiredness. She felt the pressure squeezing her like traffic on a Monday morning. Is this hustle even possible? She whispered to her screen, defeated. Her computer ethics professor, Professor Chiamaka, noticed the change. Chiamaka, he said gently after a lecture, a genius idea needs a smart plan, not a burnout sacrifice. He helped her redesign her week, treating her coding time like a scheduled lecture. Protect it like a major project deadline, he advised. It is the future you are building. Re-energized and focused, Chiamaka started blocking off 2 hours every late afternoon. She used her class knowledge to make the AI smarter and friendlier, filling it with local proverbs and warm greetings. She was building, and it felt right. Then came the next hurdle, self-doubt. What if the children prefer the classroom? What if the AI voice sounds too foreign? She worried as she prepared for the first test run at the local community center in Surulere. The moment the children started tapping, the doubt vanished. Joyful shouts and laughter filled the room. The AI, with its fun challenges and encouraging familiar voice, was working magic. Soon, CodeSpark was more than an app. It was a movement. Community schools and libraries used it. Chiamaka had balanced her studies and her dream, and ignited a passion for learning in her community's heart.